Do you want to split text into multiple columns in Microsoft Word? With the columns feature, you can now easily do so in a few simple steps that we can show you in this video. Now first up, open your Microsoft Word document you want to edit. Select all the text you want to split into columns. Then click the Layout tab, click Columns, select 2 from the drop-down menu, and this will split the selected text into 2 columns. Alternatively, you can also select another option here, and you can create even more columns. Additionally, you can click and drag the edges of the ruler at the top of your document to change the size of your columns. Just be sure to save your Word document when you're finished. So that's how you can easily make 2 columns or other columns in your Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.